The southwestern region of the United States is made up of Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico, and Utah. A variety of wildlife can be found in its varied habitats. The following glossary lists some of the animals and plants shown in this book. The Arizona pocket mouse eats many kinds of seeds and can hibernate when food cannot be found. Badgers have distinctive black and white masks on their faces. They live in family groups in underground burrows. Few animals will attack the badger because of its fierce temperament. The black-tailed jackrabbit has very large ears, which help keep it cool in hot weather. It also has very large feet, which help it run quickly. Bobcats get their name from their stubby, bobbed tail. They are found only in North America, where they are the most common wildcat. They eat small mammals such as rabbits, mice, and squirrels. The bobcat barks hoarsely when threatened. Boda's pocket gopher spends most of its time in underground burrows, some of which can be as long as 150 feet. Boda's pocket gophers live by themselves, often fighting other gophers they meet. The cactus wren is the largest North American wren, growing up to 9 inches long. It lives in nests in clumps of mesquite on desert hillsides. Coatis are short-legged animals that can grow up to 2 feet long. They eat lizards and insects, but are known for eating fruit, often stripping fruit trees bare. Coatis travel in large groups. The collared peccary resembles a wide pig but has a snout that points upwards. It eats cacti, especially prickly pear, which it devours, spines and all. During the midday heat, peccaries often sleep in hollows in the ground. Costa's hummingbird is a purple-throated hummingbird no more than 3.5 inches long. As it hovers over flowers, its wings beat so fast they make a humming sound. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can hover. Coyotes can run as fast as 40 miles per hour and leap as far as 14 feet. They run with their tails down, unlike wolves, which run with their tails straight behind them. The curved-billed thrasher is about the size of a robin. It has a long, curved bill and red eyes. It lives in cactus deserts and eats insects. The desert tortoise stores water in a pouch beneath its shell. It hibernates underground from October to March. Desert tortoises can grow up to 15 inches long. The elf owl is the smallest American owl and is no bigger than a sparrow. It lives in saguaro deserts and feeds on large insects. Gambel's quail lives in desert thickets. This bird has a loud, cackling call and a large, teardrop-shaped feather on its head. The Gila woodpecker nests in holes in giant saguaro cacti. Its feathers are patterned in black and white stripes. Males have a small red cap, while females and young birds have plain brown heads. The gray fox is mostly active at night, but can sometimes be seen during the day looking for food. They are the only canids, the family of wolves, foxes, coyote, and dogs, that can climb, and they often rest in trees. The greater roadrunner is a tall bird, 20 to 24 inches, that rarely flies, running instead on strong feet. It eats a wide variety of small animals, including snakes, lizards, and scorpions. Harris's antelope squirrel lives in low deserts. Its pale coloring helps it blend with the environment. Antelope squirrels get most of the water they need from the food they eat. Merriam's kangaroo rat is the smallest kangaroo rat in the United States. It lives in scrublands, feeding mostly on the seeds of mesquite and other desert plants. Mesquite is a spiny tree that grows in large thickets in the Southwest and Mexico. The mourning dove's name comes from its melancholy cooing, which is its mating call. Mourning doves can be found all over North America. Mule deer have large ears and are one of the most common animals of the desert. Their diet consists of grasses, twigs, and cactus fruits. Mule deer can run up to 35 miles an hour and can jump as far as 25 feet. The phainopepla is a tropical bird with an elegant crest on its head. It eats mistletoe berries and insects, which it snatches right out of the air. Sage sparrows are small brown birds with white eye rings. They are found in dry foothills and sagebrush. The saguaro is a cactus that can grow up to 60 feet tall. It provides fruit for many desert creatures and bears white flowers. The white-throated wood rat usually lives in the base of a cactus, and it uses the cactus needles to hide the entrance to its home.